What's up, guys? It's Jonathan over at Platinum Motorsport on Melrose. Here today we have a 2021 Rolls Royce Cullinan full Mansory body kit. Bumpers were changed, exposed carbon everywhere, fully blackout on the grille, window moldings, door handles, full body kit and color match to the body. Carbon roof wing, trunk wing, Mansory tips, carbon diffuser, front bumper, rear bumper, rockers are all Mansory. Car is lowered on 24-inch Mansory wheels, the Toyo tires, adjustable lowering suspension. It's probably the 15th Cullinan that we've done in full Mansory. I'd say this is the first one we did in this color. It's a unique color, it's very different, and I'm actually not mad at it with the full kit. It actually comes together and it looks really well. So yeah, check out the video, photos. Hope you guys like it.
I hope you guys enjoyed what we just created for you guys. We've been working hard and around the clock. The creative team hasn't stopped working. We started this morning at about 6:37 a.m. It's been a crazy day. We're still at it, as you guys can see. But we do this for you guys ultimately. We love you guys. We appreciate all the support. Last episode, you guys were able to see these two Cullinans that's sitting behind me. They were in process of the Mansory builds. We were able to knock out both cars during the week, and you guys witnessed some greatness, obviously. Mansory is one of the very few builders out there that make parts that literally fit like factory. So we're lucky to be able to have a partner like Mansory in Germany that build quality parts, and we're able to create these unique and one-off vehicles. So today was crazy, as I said. We started early in the morning. The creative team has been working around the clock. We had an interview with Raffi Boghosian. Big shout out to Raffi Boghosian. Thank you for coming through and showing us some love. It was for multiple TV channels in the UAE, I believe Dubai, and for the royal family, which will be airing very soon. So we'll keep you guys posted as that goes on. But again, it was a jam-packed day. We have crazy builds around the shop constantly going. These two you guys saw in the last episode, they you know, they became reality, obviously, from concept to what it is now. But we're gonna continue doing these crazy builds. We're gonna continue shooting this content along with working at the shop. Naturally, we're also working around the clock, delivering you guys some content that we hope you guys are enjoying. I'm sure some of you guys have been wondering where Jack has been. He's well, obviously. He's doing great. It's just the Sunset location is extremely busy. We're producing some very big cars out of there right now currently, which you guys will be seeing in the upcoming episodes. We have a gray Phantom that I don't want to give too much information about, but it's coming. I mean, this one is, I feel like is gonna break the internet. We've done some crazy mods to it. Inside out, I mean, the car has really been modded heavily, so you guys will be seeing Jack shortly. Just he's been extremely busy with the Sunset location. As I said, a lot of big builds coming from that location as well. But again, you guys just witnessed some greatness, you know, 2 Mansory builds. These cars generally are roughly about $350,000 retail. Both of the cars have complete Mansory kits, Mansory wheels, suspension, and then all the exterior chrome that has been removed, painted, and reinstalled. So these cars are roughly in about a retail range of about $500,000 each. So you guys saw $1 million worth of 2 vehicles, 2 of the best SUVs, you know, in the marketplace right now, driving around town. And again, I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share our videos. And again, we read your comments, so please continue doing that, and we appreciate the support. Thank you guys, and see you guys soon.